Hello, this is Daniel Greenbaum. I just finished Jonathan Abenaim's Digital Dentistry to the Max course at 3DBioCAD in Seattle, Washington. It really was to the max.
This course was really an eye-opener. Just come to the course, see what he has to offer, come in with an open mind and see what the technology has to offer you. I would say this is a must-do course. If you want to get into digital world, just do it. Don't think about it, just do it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sean Keller. Been following Jonathan here for a couple of years now. Bought my Trios a couple of years ago with 3DBioCAD, and they take great care of me. I love the product. Everything I learned here, just so much information so fast. Jonathan's awesome. He's funny, it's entertaining, tells you about what went wrong, what went right. I mean, mind equals blown. I love it.
I had a wonderful time listening to Jonathan's lecture.
Can't wait to learn more from him. So definitely take the course.
I just wanted to say thank you to Jonathan and his team.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, 3DBioCAD.